Okay, so students, I hope you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the
Yes,
PowerPoint slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the same steps which I shared earlier, but just may conclude here. The steps involved in computation of overall cost of capital. Please remember three words: weighted average cost of capital, or overall cost of capital, or simply cost of capital. All three are same. You should not get confused. You should remember the terms. They include assign weights to specific costs. So depending on the data or information given in the numerical problem, okay, you need to understand whether to use marginal weights or historical weights. In historical weights, whether to use market value weights or book value weights. Okay. Then next multiply the cost of each source by appropriate weights. Okay. In some problems, the cost of specific costs like cost of debt, cost of equity will be readily given. In that case, you need to find out only the proportions, or you need to assign weights and multiply those weights by the specific cost like cost of debt, okay, cost of equity, like that you have to multiply. Then the total of that you need to divide the total, that you what you get is the weighted cost of capital. You need to divide weighted cost of capital by total weights. So we'll do this with a problem, then we will have a clear idea about how exactly weighted average cost of capital is computed using the following steps. So that's all about the theory part. Okay, as you can see, 37 slides. Just to ensure your better learning. Because there are non-commerce students also who will not have any background or idea about the financial concepts. So this way of explanation, sharing the resources, okay, help everybody learn, okay, on par. Okay. So before I proceed with the first numerical problem, okay, just let me go ahead with attendance first. Okay, so if somebody is absent, you can unmute and inform me. So I need not wait. And those who are present, kindly be ready to answer your attendance. Okay. Abhijit.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek.
Absent.
Alain.
Present, sir.
Amrut. Anagha.
Present, sir.
Anusha Kautekar.
Present, sir.
Anusha Achari.
Present, sir.
Anushri.
Present, sir.
Ashwini.
Present, sir.
Asra. Absent. Swati.
Present, sir.
Balappa. Absent. Bharti.
Yes, sir.
Chinmayi.
Present, sir.
Deepa.
Yes, sir.
Doddabasaya. Ganesh.
Present, sir.
How about Doddabasaya?
Sir is absent, sir.
Okay, Iranna, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sir is present, sir.
He is present. Okay, I will mark. Then Shrikant. Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Karthik is present.
Yes, sir. Karthik is present. Sir.
Yes, sir. Present.
Lakshmikant.
Yes, sir.
Manjula. She was present in the previous session. Okay. Then Manjunath.
Present, sir.
Muttawa.
Sir, Manjula present.
Yeah, Manjula present.
Sir, Manjunath present, sir.
Manjunath is also present. Then Muttawa.
She was there, sir.
She was there. Okay.
She was there in last section, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Nagaraj. Sorry, Nagamegha. Nagamegha. She is not present. Nagamegha. Then Nagaraj. Nagashri.
Namaste, present, sir.
Yes. Sakshi.
Present, sir.
Pawan.
Present, sir.
Yeah, how are you now?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah, gained some superpower.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Panipuri power.
Pani Puri power. Okay, Pavitra. Pavitra. No. Then Pooja Ballari.
Yes, sir.
Pooja Jian.
Present, sir.
Pooja Kadam.
Present, sir.
Then Purna. Pradnya.
Present, sir.
Yeah, Pradnya present. Then Praveen. Puneet.
Present, sir.
Rakesh. Ruchita.
Yes, sir.
Keshav.
Present, sir.
Sahana.
Yes, sir.
Samiksha.
Absent, sir.
Absent. Then Sanjana.
Present, sir.
Sankalp.
Present, sir.
Sanket Kumar.
Absent, sir.
Okay, then Shilpa MN. Shilpa Ganji.
Present, sir.
Shiva Kumar.
Present, sir.
Yeah, present. Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Saurabh.
Sir, Saurabh
Sau-
is present, sir.
Present.
He was not able to on his
Okay.
mic.
Thank you. Srujana.
Sir, he is present, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suman. No. Then Sumuk.
Yes, sir.
Sumuk present. Then Sushmita.
Present, sir.
Swati Pola.
Present, sir.
Tabassum.
Yes, sir.
Uday Kumar. Absent. Vaishnavi. Absent.
Uday Kumar was present.
Uday Kumar was present. Okay. Then Vaishnavi. Varsha.
Present, sir.
Vedesh.
Present, sir.
And Nishad. No. Okay, anybody else who skipped attendance? Okay, Asra is now present. Yeah, she is marked present. Deepa is present. Okay. Shiva Kumar is. Deepa is already marked present. Shiva Kumar says 48. Shiva Kumar is also marked present. Okay. So anybody else who skipped attendance? Dodda Basaya marked present. Deepa present. Shiva Kumar. Ashwin is also. Uday is marked present. Yes. Okay. Okay, so now Deepa wants to share some photographs or pictures which she has captured, okay, about nature. Yes, definitely Deepa. Deepa, can you hear me? Deepa, yes. Okay, so I'll make you a host now so that you can share. Okay.
Sir, network problem, sir.
But she is a host now. She can.
So next class I will share. So next class I will.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Network problems.
Okay, even I had the same issue. Okay, So anybody else? Oh, you will have a couple of minutes. Anything you would like to share? Okay, so then let's continue. Okay,
Sir, you share
yes.
the later, sir.
Sorry.
PPT. You will share the problems later, sir, in Google Classroom.
Previous all resources are shared, right?
Yes, sir. Can you share this beforehand?
Definitely. So if I share in advance, it helps students. You feel that way? Okay, no problem. Anyway, I have typed everything, and the only thing I have to convert them into PDF file. This is already converted. I will share after the class. Okay, but remember your fair notebook, everyone. You need to write your fair notebook as well as your homework notebook up to date. Both will be considered as CTA 1 and CTA 2. 10 marks each, total 20 marks. You remember that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now here we'll exactly understand how we are going to consider the different weights, then assign weights, okay, then multiply them with specific costs and find out the weighted cost of capital, then multiply that by total weights. So that is what exactly is illustrated here in example 11.2. Okay, so this part I have written actually, okay, otherwise you will not get headings or titles like this. They will only give the information, okay, like this, and you have to understand, okay, which weights to assign, information regarding which type of weights are given. Assigning those weights, you have to compute weighted average cost of capital. Okay, so the information given, first information given is a firm's, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, a firm's after-tax cost of capital of the specific sources is as follows. So ready data is given about specific costs like cost of debt, cost of preference, cost of equity, and that is to after-tax cost. So you need not calculate anything. Simply this problem is to understand how to assign weights and compute weighted average cost of capital. Okay, so a firm's after-tax cost of capital of the specific sources is as follows. Cost of debt is 8%. Cost of preference shares, including dividend tax, is 14%. Cost of equity funds is 17%. So information is directly given. Okay. And the following is the capital structure of the firm. Okay. The total capital of the firm is 3 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 5 lakh, which is 10 lakh rupees. So in 10 lakh total capital, what is the proportion of debt capital, what is the proportion of preference capital, and what is the proportion of equity capital that is given. So when such information is given, you need to understand that this is book value weights, that are type of historical weights. Previously, company has raised 10 lakh rupee capital in this proportion: 30% debt capital, 20% preference capital, and 50% equity capital. Total 10 lakh rupees. So the following is the capital structure. Debt capital. Capital raised from debentures or debt is 3 lakh rupees. Capital raised by issue of preference shares is 2 lakh rupees. And capital raised by issue of equity shares is 5 lakh rupees. So total 10 lakh. So you are asked to calculate the weighted average cost of capital K, capital K. Weighted average cost of capital is denoted by capital K. Should remember. Using book value weights. Yeah, I think in this problem they have directly given to use book value weights. Okay. Now, see, It's very simple. I will only solve the first part. Alternate method we'll see tomorrow. You need, see, this table is not required. Okay, it is up to you if you want to draw the table or you can calculate them directly. So what is it? You have to multiply the amount of capital by the proportion to get the cost of capital. Okay. Then if you multiply column 3 by column 4, so what you get is the weighted cost. Okay. So for example, first column, source of funds, debt. Amount is 3 lakh rupees. Proportion of debt capital in the total capital is, see, 10 lakh rupees. The proportion of debt capital is 30%, which is nothing but 0.3. And cost of debt capital is given in the problem. It is 8%. Cost of debt is 8%. So 8% is 0.08. So simply if I multiply the proportion of debt capital by its cost, 0.3 into 0.08, what I get is 0.024 is the weighted cost of debt capital. Same way preference capital, 2 lakh rupees. The proportion of preference capital in 10 lakh or overall capital is 20%, which I rewrite it as 0.2. The cost of preference capital as given in the problem is 14%, as you can see here. Okay, so which I can rewrite it as 0.14. So if I multiply 0.2 into 0.14, so what I get is 0.028. So this way. Okay, so don't worry, tomorrow I will begin the solution again from beginning, from here. Okay, so good day to, pleasant evening to all of you, and I join the next class immediately. You can log out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.